Now let me show you how you will push this to the git to the repo. Now I don't have any repository created yet. So but I will initialize this and say git init. Initialize what? Repository. Now once I initialize it, it recognizes that I want to initialize the repository. I want to push this thing to what? To GitHub. So I'll go to my GitHub. I have a GitHub account. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you can create one if you so wish. Then you go to repositories. You go to repositories and you create a new one, and then you give it a name. We can call this the same name as the name of the project. Maybe um let's call it QA fit automation class, right? So it's QA fit automation class. I'm not writing any description, I'm not adding a readme, I'll just create. Now it tells you what next to do. It says through HTTPS. This is what the repository name. I can copy the repository name and I can say um git git set URL. Commit and then push to the main branch. Git commit automation. Good. Git push. Let's create a branch. Git. No, we don't have. I think we should have only the main branch. Git checkout. Do. Okay, create new branch. Ah, I think it has a dash. Yeah, git checkout minus B. The branch name. Git checkout dash B. Okay, now git push. Okay, so we have that. We have that. Nice one. We have that on this repo now. So let's see. So yeah, you can see that in case you're looking for it, we have a test branch, right? There is no readme. I didn't put a readme. I can add a readme later on. This is all we have been doing in this class. So in case you want to have an access to it, we have it here. I will share you the what's the name now? Hold on. Okay, I think this is just I can copy the URL directly. So we have this here. So that's the repository. That's the repository. All right, guys, I think that is what we have. And the next week we can continue with the API automation. See you in the next class. Stop recording.